Is your computer slow? Running out of space? Don't worry, your PC is probably full of junk files and I'll show you how to clean them up easily. This will help speed up your system and free up space. Let's get started. Method 1. The easiest way, Settings app. The first and easiest way is using your PC's built-in cleanup tool. Here's what to do. Open Settings, click the Start button and find the gear icon. Click on Storage and wait a few seconds. You'll see a section called Temporary Files. Click it. Now, Windows will show you a list of files you don't need. Just click Remove Files and confirm. On screen, Windows will now delete all unnecessary files. Method 2. A deeper cleanup, Disk Cleanup tool. Windows has another tool that can clean even more junk. Click the Start button and search for Disk Cleanup. Open it and select your C drive. It will scan for unnecessary files. Once done, click Clean Up System Files for a deeper clean. Select everything you don't need and hit OK. This method can remove leftover update files and even more junk. Method 3. Manually delete junk files. There are 2 secret folders on your PC that store junk. Let's clear them out. First folder, press the Windows R keys together. Type Temp and press Enter. A folder full of useless files will open. Just delete everything inside. Press Ctrl+A, then Shift+Delete key. Second folder. Open Run Again, Windows R. Type C/Windows Temp and press Enter. Delete everything inside this folder too. Don't worry, these files are safe to delete. Method 4. Make Windows cleanup automatically. Storage Sense. If you don't want to do this manually every time, let Windows do it for you. Open Settings and go to Storage. Find Storage Sense and turn it on. This will automatically delete junk files when your PC needs space. No more worrying about cleaning up manually. Windows will do it for you. Method 5. Using a simple command for faster cleanup. For those who want a quick way to clean everything up, there's a simple command. Open Command Prompt. Search for Command and right-click to Run as Administrator. Type this command and press Enter. I've added the cleanup command in the video description so you can easily copy and paste it. Method 6. One-click cleanup. Free software. If you don't want to go through these steps, you can use a free app that does everything for you. Download CCleaner or BleachBit. Both are free and safe. Open the app and click Scan. Once it finds junk files, click Clean, and you're done. It's a simple way to clean your PC with just one click. Warning: I don't recommend using these cleanup apps unless you really know what you're doing. Some of them may delete important files, slow down your PC, or even show ads. The built-in Windows methods I showed earlier are safer and work just as well. And that's it. Now you know the best ways to delete temporary files in Windows 11. This will make your computer faster, smoother, and free up space. Before you go, like this video if it helped you, comment below if you have any questions, subscribe to TechNeedy for more easy Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.